So JumpSport, here's a couple different foot positions you can do. Just going back and forth, kind of like you're running. And you just do that for like 100 repetitions. And then you move to a little bit of a side jump like that. She's on about 35 so far. She's only got another 65 to go. And now we're gonna switch to a new foot position. Woo! Look at that. This comes from ballet. What do you call that, a pirouette? It's got a name. This is more advanced now, you guys. Don't try to do this your first day. You could, as they say in showbiz, break a leg. You know what that means? That means we hope you get in the cast. Break a leg. That's why they say it. And so now she's going to do 100 of these. So we'll come back when she gets close to being done. All right, also I want you guys to notice that she's using 2-pound weights on both of her legs and both of her arms. So she's added an additional 8 pounds to her body weight, which helps burn more calories, I think. She's killing it. How close are we to 100?
10 more.
10 more, here we go.
1,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are we gonna do now? Oh, just back and forth. Just back and forth. This is like a cool down. Nice and easy. And then do we go to a harder one after that?
Yep.
All right. So you're gonna do 100 of these, and then we'll go to a little bit more harder one. And notice the leg motion, very relaxed and fluid. Now we did the easy one. The next one coming in is going to be much more difficult. So follow along. 100 reps of each. And here we go. This is this harder one. What do we call this? The knee ups. Knee ups.
To the lateral, outside.
So she's moving the leg to the outside laterally. And she's got to do 100 of these. So it's like one leg at a time. See that knee coming right up, almost hitting us in the face. All right, we got to do 100 of them. Oh yeah, you're going to be tired when you're done with that. So this is more advanced technique, ladies and gentlemen. Don't expect to do this on your first day. And if you do, just do like 10 reps to start out and build. We got about 80 more to go, so we'll come back when we get close to the end. All right, we're getting close. We got about 10 more reps to go. Look at those knees, they're going high. Keep them high, she says. Keep them high, don't let them droop. All right, what's next after this one? Here we go. Oh yeah. Woo! Get that left leg high. Oh, here we go. Now we're doing a little bit of a bouncy. So this is our like cool down one. We're gonna do 100 of these, 100 of these, and then we'll go to something harder. So the arms come up, almost hit me in the face. So you can do a full body exercise with this, as you can see. Getting those arms moving, 2-pound weights on those wrists. Oh yeah. So you got to do 100 of them. It's kind of like doing a jumping jack almost. You get the whole arms and everything working.
I can do jumping jacks after.
Oh my gosh. This is a monster shoulder exercise. Yeah, because remember, you're lifting 2 pounds on each arm and you're doing it 100 reps non-stop as you're bouncing. So you're definitely burning some calories. Oh yeah, it gets hard. We got another 50 to go. All right, we're in the 90s now. We only have about 7 more to do. And then we're gonna transition, I do believe, into like a jumping jack, which is killer on the trampoline. This is good for your balance, your bones, your muscles, everything. works the whole body. Here we go, jumping jacks. We're into the jacks. Now you can't leap too far apart. As you can see, we're gonna do 100 of those. Oh yeah. This is all in one session without stopping. Takes about 40 minutes. Check out that foot action. In and out, in and out. Good for the balance. And also we're doing this out on the patio, and it's 90 degrees out here. We're in Florida, as you can see by all of the palm trees. We're getting close. We're at about 94. Just got to do a couple more. There we go. Now we're going to the punch. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen, because we're talking about golden gloves here. First of all, we're going to get that little bit of that boxer's movement with the feet, and then bam, we're just going to start punching. Just start punching. I'm going to do 100 of those. That's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on things like this. Peace out.